Good day everyone. So let's watch this video and see how to create a Deriv account. With the link you're going to see on the platform, you're going to click on the link. So this link you're seeing right now, you click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you into this page. So here you have to choose your country. I'm from Nigeria, of course I have to choose Nigeria. So once you click Nigeria, you click your country, you have to click on the sign up button. So once you click your sign up button, it takes you to the next page where you input your Gmail account, your active Gmail, the Gmail you're using. This is where Deriv sends you notification, information about what is going on, information about how to your withdrawal, your deposit and everything. Yeah. So put a Gmail you understand, then sign up. Then when you sign up, a code, 6 code will be sent to you on your Gmail. So take those code and input them in this box. So right now I just checked my email and I'm putting those 6 codes right here. Yeah, so the next thing you're going to do is to set your password. This is the password you use to log in into the Deriv platform. So make sure it's something you always remember. Of course, you can actually forget password and create new one, but make sure it's something you can actually remember. So next thing takes you to the new page. So this new page, we are going to create a demo account. We want to start by trying demo trading before we go live accounts, right? So yeah. So you see this extreme level you're seeing TR is where my email is. That's my email. I have to click on it to set up my profile so that I can be able to create a demo account. Likewise, that applies for creating a real account. You have to fill up your information, surname, date of birth, everything. Your nickname, you need this nickname because if you really want to deposit via agents, your nickname will be needed for you to create or fund your account. You can also fund using USD, but that's not going to be a challenge right now. We want to create our account, put the informations you need. For here, I think I'm actually struggling with a nickname. I already have an account, so this is not going to be a challenge. So just fill up your information. Now let's skip to the next. I know you don't want to use my home address, so just fill up your home address too. Put your town, city. For me, Lagos, address, my address, just fill up basic information about you here. Make sure you fill everything. And the next thing we are going to do is, so once you're done, you'll see here that you can see CFD standard. This is for demo account. So you're going to click that CFD standard. Yes, you click CFD standard because you want to use that. So you're going to choose demo. Yeah, demo. We're going to choose our detail or trade. If you click on it, so it asks you to set your password. MT5 password is quite different from your dashboard password. Your dashboard gives you access to log into your Deriv account, while MT5 gives you access to MT5 login. So your MT5 password can be different from your dashboard password. Just make sure you don't forget. So MT5 is different from your main dashboard login. So this MT5 is where we find the trading instrument. So here you open the details to your MT5 and take a screenshot of it. After the screenshot, next thing we do is open our MT5 to connect our accounts. Once you get to your MT5, this is for iPhone users. You're going to see something like this. You'll see quotes, you see chart, you see trade, you see history. So I want you to go to your settings. So on these settings, go to trade accounts, go to this plus button at the extreme top, enter company name, deriv.com, deriv.com. That's what I want you to put there, deriv.com. So you can see Deriv.com limited. Click on it. Now use the login ID. We already have the server already. Go to the login ID the login ID here. Just copy the login ID, copy and paste, then put in the password you created for your MT5. Done. You see, so this I actually tried a demo. This is my demo account. I actually put a position, a trade that I perceive to to go down. You guys will learn this thing, you understand? You guys will learn this thing, so don't worry. So once you've already logged in your details and information, this quote is where you see the instrument you're trading. The chart shows you where you analyze the market. So this is where I did my analysis before taking this trade, and actually it's a demo account. So the chart is where you see the instruments and you can do your analysis and everything. So the trade is where you see the trade executed, running in profit or running a loss. You see everything here, your balance, your equity, your margin, free margin, and margin level. We'll talk about that during the class. Then history is where you see all the trades you've closed either in profit or in loss. If you're having difficulty creating this, chat me up.